Hello, my Gemini people. Welcome back to my channel, Mysterious Girl Soumya. Hope you all are doing very well. And Diwali is coming, so are you excited? Let's see what is going on with you all at November. In November. So let's see. I've already shuffled your cards. Actually, I've made a before one video. I had shuffled so many times, but it got deleted. The video got deleted. Like I have to edit it, so I have shuffled my cards already now. So let's see what is there for you, my Gemini people, in November in love and career. For your love and career, okay. For your love, I could feel like there will be a reconciliation with your partner. Your old partner can come up, okay, guys. Your partner you are dealing with or person you are dealing with, they are right now in hangman energy, okay. They will definitely want to take a move for you, but they are not taking a move, okay, because they are stuck in a third party, okay. And you both had a very bad breakup in the past, okay. You had a thunderbolt, okay, tower moment, okay. So you had a thunderbolt in your past, like you had a breakup, or for most of Gemini in November you are going to have a breakup too, okay. If you're thinking of this person right now, this person will won't come. If they will come sooner, for most they will come with a marriage proposal, engagement proposal. For other it could be a commitment, okay. Gemini, this person could be very sexually addicted to you. They see you in a sexual way, okay. They find you very hot, okay. If you're here, a man or a woman, you are very hot to them, you're very gorgeous to them, okay. And for others, you could be good looking, decent looking, and all. And this person, guys, they think about you very deeply, okay. And for in love, I could say like they will be offering you a marriage, because there of two of cups came around. One is page of cups and one is king of cups. So they are deeply thinking about you, and they might offer you a marriage. For some other, it could be an engagement. For others, this could be a reunion, okay, in November or after November, okay. This is a general reading, guys. Most of things can resonate with you, most of things will not. So take what resonate with you, okay. And when this person will come, you have to make some decision around, okay. Or this person can make some decision and take a moment slowly to come to you, okay. Right now they are just stuck up with third parties around this. I feel like you guys are having some motherly issues, or this person mother is not letting with you. They don't want you to be with them, or their mother, father, relatives especially. And most probably you see now how this person is blindfolded. These people are very toxic around them. They always guide this person very wrongly, but this person never listen. He only does like कि नहीं, this is only correct, they are only correct, you are wrong. So might happen like they feel like you are wrong according to them, your person. Like if they are from past, they had done this thing already before. But for in November, for most of you, this person will be blinded totally, or you could be also in same energy, vice versa, okay. Most of you will have a breakup this November, Gemini people, okay. And you are in a yin yang energy, which is, I am having a feeling like you are in a twin flame, okay. Most of you are in a twin flame. This person will take a leap of faith for sure. You will have your victory with him or her, and definitely they will come back to you. For most of you, for others, this person can be a new, because you will be having a breakup, and after breakup soon you're going to be meeting some new person around. For others, this could be from past, or if you are in a separation, this person has blocked you. This person might have blocked you. You can check your Instagrams, Facebook if you want to, or WhatsApp, but don't text them back, because if you are watching my channel and texting right now, they will not, because this is just a general reading, and then result will come up bad only, because I'm just a guidance to you all. Okay, I'm just a universe guidance. You don't have to make a random decision from my channel and take a step forward. Do private reading, do energy exchange, then only things will happen. True. Okay, from general reading, for some people things can happen. True. Okay, for others no. Okay, so okay, now I'll say like overall guidance for love. It is like you will have a reconciliation and engagement with this person. Okay, you will have a big reunion with this person, Gemini. Okay, this person will come and give you a marriage offer, and for other it could be a commitment and engagement. Okay, so be ready for it, and your chemistry will be very stronger with this person. And okay, so your chemistry is very strong with this person. For other, you will be having chemistry growing. Okay, if this person appreciate you from inner and outside, physically and mentally, they are definitely for you guys. Okay, whether they are from your past or present. If they are not showing you, it doesn't mean that they don't love you, just that they are blindfolded right now. Everywhere is around like they are stuck with third parties, and their third parties are not good for them. Like I had one client came up to me like, ma'am, why my person don't come to me, etc. and all. So उनका जो आया था रीडिंग में, it was like third parties, and he was again blindfolded. I told her directly, your person is stuck up. He thinks that he is with third parties and he is very happy, but from inside his person was not happy. Okay, so same situation is going with you all people right now. Okay, and for work, I will see overall your career. You will have a winning situation. Okay, regarding your work, career, business, properties and all, everything will be on your hands sooner. Okay, if you have put in anywhere money, that stock will definitely grow, and you are definitely working very hard. Okay, for your money. Okay, so your wish fulfillment will be win-win situation regarding your career. Okay, thing will come to you very fast, very fast in career, regarding whatever you are thinking, whatever new ideas you are building, Gemini. It will be very fast for some of my Gemini. For others, you will have some problems in your career now again because of corona situation. Maybe your home job will be also out. Okay, it could happen. And for other, you will have a win-win situation in Gemini. Okay, let's see overall energy in career and love. Okay, universe is saying you that you have a source. Okay, so make use of it. Take help of your source, guidance, people around. Okay, so you have to take help of your source. You are experiencing a good bad experience. Okay, good bad things. So you have to keep on experiencing. Okay, you have to just keep on experiencing. Okay, guys, you don't have to just sit down and just let go and all. Don't do that. Okay, आपको हार नहीं माननी है Gemini. Just don't like, I am off. No, you are not off. You have that thing in you. You are just experiencing right now. Your love is experiencing a journey. You are in a soulful twin journey. You are in a spiritual journey, guys. Okay. So, and you are a very innocent child, guys. Maybe you can be innocent from inside, but outside you are strong, right? You are extraordinary person, but for you, universe, for you people, universe is saying that you are a innocent child for them. Okay, so you have to manifest whatever you are thinking of and you are experiencing right now, whatever good bad is happening, but whatever will happen, it will happen in a positive way. Okay, universe is with you guys, so you don't have to worry, Gemini. Okay, so this was my reading for my Gemini people. Hope you all liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, comment below section and share with your friends. Okay, everybody, bye bye. See you on my next video. Bye bye.